Have you ever noticed that when you go to the bathroom, there's something floating in your urine? It's not uncommon to see some particles in your urine, but did you know that those particles could be bacteria? These bacteria could be a sign that you have a urinary tract infection, UTI. UTIs are common, affecting millions of people each year, but the good news is that they are preventable. In this video, you will explore 3 practical tips for preventing UTIs. So keep watching. By the way, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Now, shall we start? Number 1. The basics of urinary tract infections. Before we dive into the practical tips, let's talk about the basics of UTIs. Urinary tract infections are caused by bacteria that enter the urinary tract system. The urinary tract includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. Bacteria can enter the urinary tract through the urethra, which is the tube that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body. UTIs are more common in women than in men because women have shorter urethras, making it easier for bacteria to reach the bladder. Common symptoms of UTIs include pain or burning during urination, frequent urination, and cloudy or bloody urine. In severe cases, UTIs can cause fever and back pain. UTIs are typically treated with antibiotics, but they can be prevented with good hygiene habits and healthy lifestyle choices. Tip number 1. Practice good hygiene. The first practical tip for preventing UTIs is to practice good hygiene. This means wiping from front to back after using the bathroom to prevent bacteria from the anus from spreading to the urethra. It also means washing your genital area before and after sexual activity, and urinating before and after sex to help flush out any bacteria that may have entered the urethra. It's also important to wear clean and breathable underwear and avoid wearing tight-fitting clothes that can trap moisture and promote the growth of bacteria. Tip number 2. Stay hydrated. The second practical tip for preventing UTIs is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water and other fluids helps flush bacteria out of the urinary tract and keeps the bladder healthy. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider adding cranberry juice or supplements to your diet. Cranberries contain compounds that prevent bacteria from sticking to the bladder wall, reducing the risk of infection. Tip number 3. Boost your immune system. The third practical tip for preventing UTIs is to boost your immune system. A strong immune system can help fight off bacteria that cause infections. To boost your immune system, eat a balanced diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Get plenty of rest, exercise regularly, and manage stress with activities like yoga or meditation. If you're prone to UTIs, talk to your doctor about taking a probiotic supplement, which can help promote healthy bacteria in the urinary tract. My final tip and advice for you is to listen to your body. Our bodies are incredibly smart, and they're constantly sending us signals when something is off. If you start to notice symptoms of a UTI, don't ignore them. Take action by practicing good hygiene habits, staying hydrated, and boosting your immune system. And if your symptoms persist or worsen, don't hesitate to seek medical attention. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to UTIs, but early detection and treatment can also make all the difference in your health and well-being. So take care of yourself, stay vigilant, and trust your body's instincts. In conclusion, urinary tract infections are a common health issue that can be prevented with good hygiene habits, staying hydrated, and boosting your immune system. By following these practical tips, you can protect yourself and others from the pain and inconvenience of UTIs. If you do experience symptoms of a UTI, be sure to see a healthcare professional for diagnosis and treatment. With the right care and prevention, you can keep your urinary tract healthy and infection-free. So, take care of yourselves, stay hydrated, and boost your immune system to prevent UTIs and enjoy a healthy life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this with your close ones, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you found this video informative and helpful, and you enjoyed the video. If you're still struggling or have some questions, no worries. Check out this video for everything you need. Don't give up, keep learning and growing.